Hey guys, it's Agatha here with Treasure Booth, and today we're going to be talking about a tutorial for the main event. So this is the portion that we're going to start off with, and I kind of want you guys to understand before we get into anything else. So under main event, we have these different items here: create a new event, duplicate an event, remove an event, lock event, hide event, and help. At any time you guys need help with Darkroom, you're going to want to click on here, and it'll give you pretty much everything that you need to know on Darkroom. So if I'm not covering something, or if you need extra help, and this is going to be the spot that you're going to go to, and you'll have a bunch of different information there. So going back over here to the main menu, this is how this right here is going to be our little chain of events. So think of this as, if we have 8 events in one day, we can actually set them prior to the event, and that way when we get to the event, it's just a matter of clicking on this event and having the settings change for each event that's set. So you could see here, if I click on these, they have all different photo strips already set up for that event. So just think of this as your little calendar. This is where you're going to create, or your profile, I should say. This is going to be your profile for each event. So if we're going to be doing an event, all these settings over here are going to be set already for this main event. So you don't have, once you set it, it'll automatically save, which is really convenient, especially if you have multiple events in a day. You're able to just click on it, hit start photo booth, and you're up and running. Of course, you're going to want to do all of this settings and all, before the event, but that's why you have, just make sure that you spend enough time setting this up beforehand, so that way when you get to your event, it's just as easy as setting up the photo booth and hitting start photo booth, and then it'll start with all of your settings. So okay, so if in case you guys want to duplicate an event, let's say for instance you like all the settings that you already set here, and you want to save the same settings, you can right click on it, or you can actually just hit up here and then duplicate the event. So all of the settings on these two items, on these two profiles, are the exact same. The only thing for me in this situation is I want to label this one, let's say this, I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to label this one evening event. So I know that in the evening, that's the event that I'm going to be covering. And let's say for instance, if this one is the morning event, then I would just type in morning event and then hit OK. So you see how that changes there, but my settings are the same. So I just want to change, let's say, the evening event. Instead of us doing that disco party, we're going to be doing, I don't know, let's just pretend it's Christmas already, and I'm going to be doing this one. So I will set it so that there's 2 pictures being printed on this one, and then if I go on morning, it's still on this one. So I have 2 events, the exact same settings. The only thing is I'm changing the strip because one party is different from the other. So I hope this was a pretty good overview here for you on your main events page. It's really, really important you utilize that correctly, because if you're, let's say if you're evening event and you're freaking out that if this is your photo strip's not there, it's going to be under here. So just make sure that you understand that. We've had a lot of people get confused, and they're on the sample beach theme event, and they're freaking out because their photo strip is gone, and little do they know that they accidentally clicked on another one of these. So this is your overview on your events, so be sure to utilize that as we get more into Darkroom's settings and all that. I hope this video helped you guys understand your events portion of Darkroom. If you like this video, go ahead and click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to view more videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or concerns, comments, drop it down below, and we'll get some answers for you guys. Alright guys, till next time.